Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this really cool looking device. It's a VINGNUT 4-in-1 wireless soil monitor. It is a 4-in-1 plant soil moisture meter. Garden soil moisture, temperature, sunlight, time digital LCD display device. It's suitable for gardening, for lawns, for potted, for plants, for outdoor and indoor use. It comes with one display and one sensor. You can pair additional sensors with that main device, of course. With your versatile design, this 4-in-1 plant water gauge not only measures soil moisture, but also comes equipped with sensors to detect the soil humidity, time, and ambient light, providing comprehensive soil information and wide applications. The plant soil meter is suitable for gardening, agriculture, and outdoor plants. It is an ideal tool for plant growth, management, and soil conditioning, whether we are a professional gardener or an amateur enthusiast, so we can benefit from its feature. Convenient, and it's so friendly to use. The device features a simple dual button operation and a clear LCD screen. This allows us to effortlessly and quickly obtain soil information without need for special skills. The high precision measurements comes with it. With the high-quality sensors and an LCD display, the device ensures accuracy and reliability in measurements, providing us with dependent soil condition data. And of course, it's energy saving. The device utilizes an AA 1.5 volt alkaline batteries, offering a robust battery life for prolonged use. Provide us with enduring monitoring services. One AA 1.5 volt alkaline battery for the sensor and two AA 1.5 alkaline batteries for the receivers. You see, it's really easy to operate with that device here, and it looks really cool because it helps us with gardening power. So, on the screen of the receiver, we have the soil moisture readout on the left upper side, the light intensity readout in the center left. On the right upper side, we have the time of the display and, of course, the battery indicator. Then we can see the temperature readout, the serial number of the sensor displayed on the screen, if we have to read that. Battery level in displays on the soil sensor will gives us information too, and we have a wireless transmission signal icon. The icon displays normally indicating it is within the transmitter range. The icon blanks indicating it is out of the range. Then we have a number switch button. We press left or right, or we switch between different sensor displays on the screen. We set the button to degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. We can use the switch button for it. It's easy to get in installation process. Remove the battery cover. We insert two alkaline 1.5 AA batteries. We make sure the batteries are oriented properly, and we put the battery cover back into position. The sensor is B. The receiver is B, ready for work. The sensor, we rotate the battery cover counterclockwise to the right until the triangle symbol aligned with the O symbol, with this is B open. Then we can remove the battery cover, insert one alkaline 1.5 volt AA battery. That makes sure the battery is oriented properly. We put the battery cover back into the place. We rotate the battery cover clockwise to the left until the triangle symbol aligns with the round symbol, which it is the close area. Then pairing. Before the first use, it's necessary to pair the product. The monitor and the sensor will automatically pair each other when all batteries are installed. We should be sure the distance between the monitor and the sensor is within 5 meters when installing the batteries. If we have purchased multiple sensors, it's easy to make a pairing thing. We install the batteries in the monitor first. We install the batteries in the first sensor. Then we attach the number label 1 onto the housing of the sensor. We install the battery in the second sensor, and then we attach the number label 2 on the south of the sensor. We follow then the steps of the battery placement, and of course then we go to pair them. Easy peasy, they will pair automatically when all batteries are installed. If the paying order is incorrect, we press and hold the NO button on the monitor for 10 seconds to restore the factory default settings, and then we can repair it. In order, we have to get the battery into the sensors again to switch them between 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. We make sure that the probes are clean before use. We soften the soil to be measured. We break up the piece if it is hardened. We remove grass, leaves, pebbles, or other debris. We gently insert the probe vertically into the softened soil. We press the soil tightly around the probe so the probes are in close contact with the soil. We read the percent of moisture value in the display. Job's done, baby. That's easy peasy, isn't it? It is recommended that the probe head should be inserted into the soil at least 10 centimeters when make the measurement. When the soil moisture environment is stable, in order to save the battery power consumption of the sensor, this sensor will not continuously transmit data to the monitor. If there is no change in soil moisture readings after watering, we should wait up to 30 minutes, then read the data again. The soil moisture is measured according to the national standards in opt-in data. For example, 20% moisture reference to 200 grams of water in 1,000 grams of soil. So we can now see how much the water is in our debris, in our bottom, and then we can make a good job of it. That's the VINGNUT 4-in-1 plant soil moisture meter. It's a garden soil moisture, temperature, sunlight, and time digital LCD display device. It's super for gardening, for lawns, for potted plants, outdoor and indoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Thun thun.